Hey y'all, what's up? It's your boy Jay back in the girl. Yeah. You better watch this video.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side.
So, hey guys, today is beach day and like it's like legit lit. So I already got ready, whatever. But anyway, my aunt Ashley is coming, and you know my uncle and them, they're coming. And today is beach day, so I will be vlogging beach day. And you know what? I've been waiting like to do like a vlog or like something like y'all can like enjoy. But ooh, this is some good lighting. But yeah, y'all. So I get back with you guys when like we get like in the car with them or something, or you know, to the beach. So yeah.
You shop out here, baby. Let them know what I do out here.
You think you fire?
Let them know what I do out here.
But you're not.
Let them know what I do. I've been living my whole life. Let them know. 3 in a row, Jay.
Let Ariana let you bring her portable charger.
Huh?
Say hey to the vlog.
What's up?
What you gotta say? Nothing.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
What's up, vlog?
We'll see it.
It'd be at the bottom, y'all.
See that? I about had him, y'all.
Huh?
See his shots off. He booty.
All right.
He booty.
So y'all, we about to go to the beach, and here's our little cousin Kennedy. Say hey to the vlog.
Hey, gang.
Okay, so y'all, let's make a thumbnail. Come on, cheese. Okay, so we're about to go to the beach, and we about to have fun. Every time I come down here, like we always do this, but yeah, we're about to go to the beach, and we're about to have fun, and we're about to be lit. And yeah, but y'all, it's super hot out here, y'all. Like no lie, y'all. Like it's like so freaking hot. And I don't know who car I'm riding in, but it's hot, and I'm about to pass out. It's hot, put bag on me. But all right, I'll see y'all in a little bit. So yeah.
I see you in the.
Okay.
Hey. We got it.
Yeah, I got it.
Look at Janice.
Oh my God. But anyway, they have like rides and stuff here, but yeah, y'all, I got like a pimple right here, and I'm like not feeling it at all.
I want that.
I remember that
Looking a hot
Kwame picked
mess.
me up. I remember that Kwame picked me up and made me think he was his daddy.
Shoot. Ooh, excuse me. They got the jet and stuff. So I see y'all in a little bit. Y'all look at that boat, y'all. Like what the it's lit. Y'all look at these fishes, bro. They look hungry. Like what you want? Y'all, this is wow. This made me crazy. I don't care. Y'all, this thing is leaning. Oh no. I would love to get on that. I love roller coasters. That's lit. So y'all, we're out here right now. I know. I don't know. People it's just like looking like I'm crazy, but I don't care. Because you know what? I'm a vlog anyway, because it's
And we're gonna get in the water.
Yes, we're gonna get in the water. And what else? Fun.
Yeah, and have a good time.
So my cousin let me use
And
this,
get my hair wet.
My cousin, huh?
Come on, yes you are. You gonna use it today? Let's go.
So I mean, my uncle let me use his camera stick, so I won't have to like hold it with my hands. So he gonna let me borrow that. But y'all, it's fun out here. So I got a pimple right here, and I'm feeling like very disrespected because like, wow, people looking at me like I'm crazy because I got this like vlog stick, but I don't give too much. Okay, like, y'all, I really don't care. Come on now. But we just out here exploring and having fun or whatever, and we lit. So that's us. That's how we do. But yeah, I get back with y'all guys later. So. Y'all, it's currently nighttime. And we about to get on the big rise or whatever, and just having fun being lit. What are they? Y'all, people not even looking at me like I'm crazy, but I don't care. I'm trying to tell y'all, like, I know I've been saying it for the longest, but I don't care. Look at Ferris wheel. It is so pretty. Yeah, like I said, I'm about to be lit, have fun, because, you know, this is my first time vlogging in public. Here go my aunt Ashley, y'all.
I can't want something to drink.
She mad right now.
Something now.
Big mad. And we about to go to the big rise. So you already know what's up. What's good? Dede, are you coming to the big rise with us? Are you coming to the big rise? Or are you scared?
Can we get something to drink, okay? Come on.
Or are you scared?
You want to get a ride?
A big day. Yeah, we about to go ride in the big ride or whatever and have fun, because y'all people is looking at me like I'm crazy, because you know what, I don't care, because you know what, this is my vlog and like I would be anybody.
How much you go? Where you living?
My vlog.
It's very fun here. Come here. Yeah, you guys. It's Broadway. Come, it's really fun.
Yeah, Broadway, where I was born to dance. Hey y'all, this is how we do it. I'm super bored right now. Really bored. But I don't know where our Tony went. Oh yeah. But I'm bored. I'm so freaking bored. Like I'm not even playing, y'all. Like I'm so for real. So hey, I'm currently back walking like crazy. Why is people looking at me like I'm crazy? Like trying to do y'all, like I am doing my vlog. That man probably was offended because I know he heard me because he looked at me. But it's my vlog. It's nighttime. Ooh, cool story. Every month. Hey, come here. Grandma, good night. Now, I'm ready to go to the rise. Anyway, y'all. Daquan, there's a whole lot of girls out here for you, buddy.
It is.
So why won't you get now? Oh, you looking for the perfect girl. Something wrong with him, y'all, for real. But, I smell like coffee. But, yeah, after we eat, I don't know. Should I end the vlog? They went to the store. Some store I don't want to go to. Now we about to go into this boring lane store. Somewhere I do not want to go because, you know what? Me personally, I don't want to go there at all. No, that Ferris wheel was so freaking pretty. Let me not split the pole because, you know. So y'all be in here in the store. Oh, people look like I'm crazy, y'all. I don't care.
That's what you need right there, Daquan. Have it around your neck, nigga.
Got D'Angelo in the cut. Boring. No, it's boring. It's kind of cool, and it's kind of cool up in here. Got some items.
Yeah, that's like.
Can I get some, Grandma?
Feels good.
Can I?
I'm just trying to stay cool.
Grandma, you is crazy.
Aired by the South Carolina Broadcasters Association at this station.
And they got hats in here, they got shirts in here, something that I don't want to look at. I just want to get on the big rise to have fun, you know, be lit, but it's crazy. We have very crazy stuff, you know, just crazy stuff that I don't want to be here. Y'all, I'm so tired. Like, y'all don't understand how tired I am. Like, I'm supposed to be on the big rock having fun, and this is not irrelevant right now. Look, y'all, it's like I'm in the white, like white people. No, not be racist. Oh my god, I think somebody just heard me, but you know, it's too early. So, oh, y'all, my little juicy. Oh, but what is that for? Oh, you look so mean to me.
Nah, you can't really.
Oh, look.
It'd be too hard. It'd be too hard. Like, it'll look crazy.
Oh. Daddy, we both got a pimple right here. Like, these pimples are disrespectful. Y'all, they have, like little old memes down here. Come on now. Make yourself at home. Clean my kitchen. Honey, clean your own kitchen, okay? Thank you. Ooh, they got Marilyn Monroe. I love this bitch. She is the best. She is the baddest bitch of all. Excuse my language. The Wizard of Oz. Oh my god, y'all. This is old little TV shows I used to watch when I was younger with my grandma. She used to watch I Love Lucy. I watched the Wizard of Oz and I watched Betty Boo like 1,000 times. But yeah. Oh, they got little globes. Myrtle Beach, North Carolina. Okay. It's right. Hey, I'm trying to do my vlog.
Myrtle Beach, North Carolina. That's all I heard.
Myrtle Beach, North Carolina. If she was still living and young like this, would you do her?
Yeah.
I told you, she the president. Come on now. They on. This nigga get on my nerves. But I miss him though. They got it. I'm gonna break this. So you know what? I don't want to pay for it. They got corny goofball stuff up in here. They got his license. Boy, he did. Come on now. They got crazy stuff up in this place. Crazy stuff that I don't even know about. I don't know. Oh my god, that is inappropriate. But let me not show too much inappropriate stuff because you know people like say something to the vlog. Hey, I'm about to end this vlog in a few minutes, y'all, because I'm freaking tired. I gotta do a lot of editing for this vlog. I wanna get back on. Oh, y'all came on college period just to let y'all know. So I'm just saying, because you know, yeah. I tell people gonna meet me like I'm crazy. I don't care. But anyway, I'll get back with you guys when I get out of here. I need help, so I catch y'all in a little bit, or maybe I'll get back with
Here's a spoon. Check this out.
a little behind spoon. And what are you gonna do with that?
You vlogging? So let me tell you. This is great to have. You got your nice little tea. Okay. You got your tea. Hot chocolate. You the type that you like to eat. Marshmallows. Put it right back. You ain't got to get up and go to the kitchen. Save you time. It's convenient.
Well, you heard it. Yeah, well, you heard that. But anyway, y'all, I'm about to end this vlog because my phone about to go dead. So like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. I might vlog some more stuff, or I might put it in like my intro. And I hope y'all enjoyed the intro that y'all just seen. That is my regular intro. I won't be changing it no more. That's my stay intro. So yeah. So peace.